You broke it.
Oh no. Stupid computer. The new YouTube series cutting shit in half. Welcome back to Will It Cut. Today's episode, we're gonna go back to the fancy old MacBook computers and stuff, whatever generation it was done in the 40s. We had to take the battery out because we don't want to start a fire. Let's see what happened to the Teslas. This is 2006?
Yeah.
No, 19.
Fuck.
19, yeah, you're right.
You think it's still worth $3 grand?
Elementary school.
Look at it, almost got right down the center of the webcam. So where's the disc? Oh, the disc would be here. Shit, I should have taken the other side off. That's gold.
You think they actually have real like gold and copper and shit in there?
Well, that's real. That's copper.
That's copper for
that
sure.
could be gold or it's brass. Don't you hate when you can't be in two places at once? Well, I have a solution for you. The MacBook Slash. You just put it on this water jet, cut it in half, and now you have two keyboards and two computers. You know when you have like, when you look at a beam and you can see like both sides of said beam? Well, we got the computer for you. You can adjust it manually so you can look at that beam with your head and just...
Can we type it on there?
I want to turn on. Should we try putting the battery on this side of it? Actually, this is for this side of it. Just kidding. That's perfect. It broke a piece of it off. Well, that's why it wasn't working. The motherboard. This was a fan at one point in its life, I think. Oh,
that's wild.
Is that the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Lots of layers.
no, we already cut that.
Suit for copyright infringement.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to cut the logo out of our fucking... Actually, I think it cut all the way through, actually.
Did it?
Might...
Its own little inbred apple symbol.
Can I see?
You cut whatever you want using water and sand.
Whoa! Oh, he cut it in half. Try to look.
And I got a logo out of it. This is the Air MacBook. Put the battery back in.
Boom.
And boop. Oh. Don't do that.
OSHA violation.
Let's put it on the metal table. Why isn't it?
Control Alt Delete.
Why isn't it turning on, Lucas? Hate this computer.
iPhone 28.
I just got the new iPhone. Of course, I had to get the Max. But because I got the iPad Max Pro Mini iPhone, XR 1000 Defender, I'm gonna take a video of you.
Selfie.
This is my new iPhone. It's actually one of those new fancy ones that you can open all the way to the other side. It only really does it one time, and then I can like give the other side to my friend, and then I get the iPad version.
You can only type so much.